Okay, so this section, finally, we get to fold in post planner, right? This is where we kind of explore a different idea altogether. So the idea here is non-text overlay images. They do really well on certain things. Later in the course, you're going to see a home decor kind of walkthrough of this. So home decor, people are looking for what? They just want inspiration. They want ideas. So this is what we're going to do, right? I was testing out nails. Nails is uber popular, but what we are going to do is this. We want fall outfit ideas, right? Fall outfit ideas. Very, very interesting. What we can do is create a prompt, an ideogram that's very vague. We need a vague prompt. Why do we want a vague prompt? This matters so much. Very, very good. Look at this stuff. This is excellent. Each one of these images, right, has a similar feel in terms of like colors, because fall, you usually associate different colors. But because the prompt is so vague, a fall outfit idea on a 20-something girl walking the sidewalk in an urban city. Make it stylish like a photo shoot, but realistic as if it was taken with a selfie. Very cool. What we can do, because ideogram for every click of a button gives us 4 images, we want those 4 images, each one of those images to be viable, right? I want to create 40 images now in the next 5 minutes that are viable. So let's just run through this. I'll show you how to do this quickly. All these are great, right? All these are great. We can have some blue in the outfit, right? So if you want to switch it up, just do a little tweak. So far, this is what we have. We have this. These are all really, really good. This. Awesome. Really, really like this. Waited in the fast queue. Let's see this next one with blue. Okay, that's cool too. Have, let's say, a little red in the outfit, just a bit, right? So with the changing of the prompts quickly, what we're able to do is have all these images be unique. That's the goal. And then we're going to be able to export them quickly too. Push to post planner. So post planner's over here. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's see. That's excellent. This looks like a real image, right? Looks like a real image. I don't want it to be, I was hoping to get away from the feels of like professional photography. Have a little purple in it. I don't know. So you're going to see in the modules later about home decor and these type of niches. Color matters a lot. Why? Because, here, let's see if my camera works. There we go. Color matters a lot because Pinterest kind of knows what your preference is as a user, right? Your preference as a user is known. In other words, they email me. They probably email you too. Here's some suggestions, Jesse, you may like. And they know what I like because they know what I click on. It's a humongous algorithm, right? So colors gives us the opportunity to be, what is the word? Interested in or shown to many different people. If we just stuck with this original idea down here, well, that's just all beiges. That's cool and it's good for fall, right? But maybe we want splashes of color. So there's some green. Let's do another one. Green, little bright green. Let's see what bright green it says. Let's keep going with it. And then we can ask ourselves, is there anything else? Maybe this scene can be changed. Walk in where? Walk in where? Where do you walk in the fall? So you got to use your imagination a little bit, right? Where do you walk? Walking on a trail that's brightly lit. I don't know, right? Let's see here. Those greens work well. I mean, I'm not a fashion person, but I'd imagine some people might like this, right? A cool jacket that, is overhanging you. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got here. Nice. Those are excellent. That heart shirt is cool, right? It stands out. People might be interested in that. And what's going to happen here is these are all not real clothes, right? They're all AI. But guess what? Pinterest is able to look at that. They're going to look at the image and they're going to pair it with something on Amazon or something elsewhere. Look at that one. She's defying gravity. So every once in a while, we have an AI image that isn't going to work out too well. Let's say some yellow in the outfit. That's nice. Yeah. Fashion always baffles me because it's infinite different combinations, right? infinite different combinations, which AI excels at. That's really good. Let's do another set of those. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11. So we have over 40. We have what we came for, right? What we're going to do next, let's see how these work. Those are nice. All right, you click these buttons here, and it selects all 4 at once, right? So as we select these, we can see 5 selected. We could do a little bit of math here. Let's go here. There we go. All right, so 12, so that's 48. We're going to download these at once, 48. This is where speed comes in, right? We're getting super sophisticated in terms of bulk. Bulk, we want a lot with this tactic, bulk. And then it's going to come over here. Let's see if this works. All right, good. Extract all. Boom. Extract in 48 items. Now what I want is, I want XN convert. I want to add those files, right? Come down here, add all of those files here, boom. Output, fall outfits for 20-something-year-old, boom. So we put the hash mark on it. It's going to convert all of them to JPEG. And another reason I haven't mentioned this is Ideogram, it saves it. What does it save it in? It saves it in, let's see here, PNG. Which is cool. PNG is good too. But maybe by doing this tactic here, changing file names, it just makes it more our own. It makes it less susceptible to algorithmic changes, maybe, right? Because if you're just pumping straight native from Ideogram with all these strings of characters, not the best. So I'd like to strip all the data, the metadata here with XN convert and make a file name in a JPEG. Wonderful. Now, what we're going to do, the next step is we're going to take those images. We have to do 2 things at once. We have to take the images and upload them to the media file on the website, as well as begin an article for, say, the 40 outfit ideas for the fall for 20-something women, right? So let's get into that. Okay, so next step is to come to your website. Hopefully you have a WordPress loadout. Come to media. What we want to do is add new media. I'm curious how many images we have. We have 66, call it 6,700 images so far on this website, and it's not even a month old, right? Crazy. So what we want to do is come here, bulk image. So we're going to select all the images that we just created, and how we know which ones they are is simply by JPEG, right? When JPEG stops, we know we're done. It's like 40 some, right? And there we go. They're all going to start cooking, right? They're uploading right now. It's that simple. There they go to the website. Then there's a reason we do this. You're going to see, oh, okay, I get it. Why are we doing this prior to doing anything else? So the next step is we have to jump into SEO write-in.ai. Let me click that in here. 1 second here. I'll switch screens in a second. All right. So what we want to do is fall outfit ideas. It's going to talk about fall outfit ideas. It's going to talk about, just some ideas. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill it full of really good images, the same images we just created, right? Let's do this. Always like this. Write it about specific outfit ideas. Give ideas on color that do well in the fall, as well as specific items. Excellent. AI images. Nope. No AI images here. Why? Because we have all of the images we need. We could do a story up there. Italics, I don't like it. I don't like bold. No quotes. No key takeaways. All that stuff. All right, connect the web. Nah. Outline editor, we will do that later in the course. Don't miss that one. I believe that's in the recipe walkthrough. Off-grid dreaming, inspirations, boom. Okay, run. Now, hopefully, good. Our only one cooking here is that. All of those recipes we did prior, they're already done. Love it. Very, very happy. All right, so this is cooking. What we have to do now is we have to think. All right. Post Planner is a cool tool. What does it do? It helps you schedule out things. It does more than that, but for the purpose of this course, if you want to do bulk article creation or bulk pin creation, this is how I do it, right? So what I want to do is come to Post Planner, and I want to go to multiple posts. So what we did, I'll go back, create post here, right? We come to multiple posts, and you can upload, excuse me, download a sample sheet, right? I'll go over this later in the course again, just to drive home the point, but let's open this sucker up. So enable editing, if I can click that button. This one right here, let's see, boom. Kind of gives us an idea of what is what. So the caption is the description, the content is the link, the URL. This content media, what is this? This is the URL, I do believe. So this one here, content link, is where you add the web page. So the URL, like offgriddreaming.com/fall outfit ideas goes here. This here, you're going to see a lot of people don't know how to do this. This is a wonderful tactic. I'll show you. I'll explain it via showing you. And then the Pinterest title. These 5, is that 5? Those 4 are what we have to focus on. Then I always go get your template and delete all this other junk. There's junk underneath here. So what are we going to do? First step. First thing I'm going to do, as this is cooking, well, this is already done. That's cool. We'll get into that in a second. Actually, we could do this. The URL is done. Fall outfit ideas. Wonderful. What I want to do is come to my Excel spreadsheet. What are we going to do? Content link, yes, is right here. We're going to pull this down, right? You can click that little button here and pull down. All right, we don't want 100 some, we want 48 or so. So we're going to just drag it there. So all the URLs, what's this going to do is it's going to make it so the Pinterest clickable button is to the URL on your blog. So column C, right here. We take this slug, fall outfit ideas, copy and paste it there. Boom, boom, drag it down to approximately how many you need. We have 48 images. Now we're going to come back to the website, right? We're moving fast, and realize I always move fast. Later in the course, I'm going to be a bit slower, but this first portion, like the groundwork, I'm purposely moving fast. Pause the video, rewatch the video. That will all be very, very helpful. What I want to do now is come to, where am I coming to? Tools, export media URLs is a plugin, export media URLs. The standard thing is I just want the URL, output here. Boom, export now. So what did this do? It gave us a list of all of our URLs for those images we just created and uploaded. In other words, if I copy this URL here and push it here, boom, that's our image. If I were to do the same here, right, boom, that's our image. Very cool. So now we're going to create an open instance, just a new instance of Google Sheets. Why? Because it's easy to do this next step. Because when we copy and paste this, I found that it's kind of a pain in the butt. So come down here, come down to all of them, boom, 48 of them. Looks good. Paste them here, right? The reason we do this is because it pastes the number next to it as well. So I just want to select to the right just the URLs, because the URLs are what we're after, right? And then we're going to paste them here, right? So that's what we want. Now we're going to scroll all the way down, and look, it matches up perfectly. That means we're on the right track. That's 48 posts. Now is the tricky part. Very, very easy to create what we just did, right? A little bit harder to do the pin title plus the caption. This is going to require a little bit of research. So let's do this. Let's come over to Pinterest, full outfit ideas. Let's do this right here. Okay, hard pause. Let's do something. I was going to go down the road of using the paid tools. Let's do a free aspect right now. So we're going to type in outfit ideas fall, right, in Pinterest. So fall outfit ideas, whatever. I'm going to take, let's think here. Let's take these right here, right? Boom. Let's take these and so these are the related trends. So basically Pinterest is like, yep, outfit ideas fall is pretty popular. Guess what? This one's even more popular. Fall outfit inspo, fall style, fall fits, all these things. We're learning, what is what. So what I want to do, let's do all of these. Let's grab these. Let's think here. We're going to go to ChatGPT. Create 48 variants of Pinterest title for my pins on 40 plus fall outfit ideas. Use these keywords as necessary for variance sake. Always have 40 plus in the title. So I want people to know if they click here and they click through to our blog, then they're going to be served with a lot more ideas. That's how we get click-through rate up. So let's see if this works. Fall fits. Let's see if there's anything else. We can grab these. Boom, push them here. All right, let's go. Let's see what it does, right? Here are 48 pin titles for your 40 plus fall outfit ideas. Let's see how it does. 40 plus fall outfit ideas for 2024. Cozy fall outfits, blah, blah, blah. It's doing really good, right? I like that. So now let's just let that cook. That's going to go here, pin title. So it's so easy, right? Each pin will have its own unique title, opposed to just doing 40 plus fall outfit ideas or whatever. So it gives us an opportunity for keywords to have unique keywords. Now we need to do the same for captions. Let's let this just continue on. While that's going, we want to come probably here to posts, not pages, to posts. Let's view this. Okay, we're going to edit this post. Let's go here, convert to blocks. All right, scroll up. We're going to do 40 plus fall outfit ideas for 2024. I usually never do that right there because it makes it non-evergreen and it's a pain in the butt to go back and change it up, right? So if you do this right, because you uploaded the images and you're not uploading any more images until you complete this, what you're able to do is this. So I'm going to go to gallery, right? Click on gallery, media library, boom. Let's take 4 of them, create new, just like that. So now we're giving the user what they want, right? Let's come here. We have a lot. We have a lot. So let's keep track of what we're doing, right? We're doing 4s, 4, and then 4 more. Not terribly hard. I mean, very, very, very quick. I want to go in the middle of this one. Let's go gallery. Let's come here. So it's 4 plus 4. Here you go. All right, so we have like 12 so far. Looking nice. And this would be a valuable post for someone to land on, right? Let's go a bunch here. It's not best practice to do a bunch. The user may like it, but if you have display ads, not the best because you can't display as many ads, right? But for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to go row by row. The last one had an A, so I'm trying to memorize, all right, that person has an A on theirs. So when I go back in here, right, I know, okay, that was the last one I did. I'm just going to grab all of these, right? And so if we have the ability to encourage people to save these pins through a plugin, I encourage that too. I think that's a good idea. This one's next. Look, we're gonna not do the lean in person, although we probably are gonna pin that person, but it's all good. All right, gallery, media library. The lean in person was the last one, so this rows are next. Then we have one more, 40 plus. We're doing 40 plus right here. Last one, gallery. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Everyone's happy. So now we're going to save it. Save the URL. View post. Let's see how it renders. 40 plus fall outfit ideas. What I may do is change that title to be like that you'll love or something else, right? But it looks nice. You can just scroll through. People like this stuff. This is exactly what I see very, very successful blogs doing. When you're on mobile, this is what it looks like. Looking nice. I like the variant of 5 or odd numbers when you're using gallery. The reason is this is how it shows. It shows 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a big one there, right? That's, to me, it looks really, really, really nice. Let's see if I did it again. I did 6 there. I think up top we did a few more. 4. I guess we're doing 4. So odd numbers would have been better, but it is what it is. So this is it. Now what we're going to do is come to ChatGPT, take all of these. So these are all the titles, paste them in, right? Now give me descriptions that are 3 sentences to go along with each title for Pinterest, right? Let's see what it comes up with. It's just gonna work. ChatGPT is gonna do its thing. This is a problem when it does this. You need to stop it. Just give me the descriptions, because if it gives me title descriptions as well, it's going to screw up me being able to copy and paste it into my Excel spreadsheet. All right, see, it did it again. Try again and leave out the title. Sometimes it takes a little wrestling. All right, wonderful, wonderful. Now, what we should do is come to Pinterest. What I should do is come to Pinterest and type in fall outfit ideas. And what I want, is there anything interesting? There's nothing with a text overlay, but I want a text overlay. So have text over the whole image, interesting, with the words 40 plus fall outfit ideas you'll love. See how it goes. I'm not hopeful because it's a lot of words, and I'm not hopeful that it will be contrasted. Oftentimes we need that seed image for it to draw inspiration. So you're always trying to work as ChatGPT or something else is working, right? That's not bad though. These 2 are not bad. Those 3 are not bad. Pretty good. Make the font like a magazine. I don't know, like a magazine. I love using prompts for AI that are very general and just to see what it does. Like a magazine. What does that even mean, like a magazine? Well, let's see how it interprets it. Maybe we'll strike something good here. Maybe we won't. And that's really good. Like that right there, that exceeds my expectations. That one too, really good. All 3 of these are much better than these. So use generic terms with the AI when going after this, and you may be surprised. So what I want to do is download these. Okay, we're going to download these. My goodness. Oops. Oh, man. Do you see what's happening here? I'm downloading all of them again. 14 of them. That's not what we want. All right. Hopefully this will unselect them. Download 1. Yes. I was like, why is it taking so long? All right. So here's 4 of them. Extract all. Extract. Boom. Come to XN Convert. Now remember, we are still having ChatGPT work in the background, right? We're going to have these. Boom. I think this one was screwed up, so I'm going to delete that one. I'm going to have output, fall outfit ideas. Convert. Boom. I like it. What do I want to do now? What I want to do, let me think. I'm going to do this. We're going to do it this way. We're going to come here. We're going to come to post. We're going to set the featured image. We're going to upload the file. We're going to come to downloads. This one, we're going to view extra large. And I love this one. Just the feels of it, right? Really, really nice. We're going to save that thing. Let's see here. Control click, view post. Boom. That is so excellent. My goodness. Loving it. All right, now, boom. Oh, man. Okay, that's okay. So it didn't finish all 48 of them. That's fine. What we can do is this. We'll be a little bit lazy here. Not all the way lazy, just a little bit. I'm going to paste all the descriptions. Right? Why is there more? Oh, it did this. This is a pain in the butt. All right, so sometimes when you grab these from ChatGPT, it does a space. And when it does that, it really stinks. So what I'm going to have to do here is come and do this. I'm sure there's a faster way to delete the rows in between them. I'm sure there's a hotkey. I'm just not going to learn that right now. If you know how to do this, send me an email. You'll save me a couple of seconds. All right, let's do this. Almost there. And what we're going to do is right-click, delete rows. So all of these descriptions should be optimized to the titles that they coincide with, right? We selected that one. Now it's going to delete that one, which is fine. That's going to screw things up. But remember, this is experimentation purposes to teach. Oh my goodness, do you see what happened? Oh man, that totally sucks. That's the worst. Maybe I'm going to research. I'm going to pause the video and research how to take out empty rows. Okay, so let that be a lesson that it actually is worth the effort to learn something. So all you have to do is column A, go to data, go to, what was it? Remove filter. I already created a filter. So you create filter, come here, filter by condition, is empty, is not empty, is not empty. Boom. I mean, how hard was that? So let's come grab all these. I feel silly for not knowing this before. We're going to get all these. We're going to copy them. Let's come to our spreadsheet again. Let's paste them. Let's paste them. All right, so now we're going to have a few that are going to be copied at the end here. Best case scenario, you don't have duplicates. I mean, I see very successful Pinterest pages with duplicate titles. Description is usually varied. So there we go. This is what we need to bulk upload. Now with Post Planner, this is what we do. Very, very simple. We come here, we click Create Post, right? And we're going to come to Multiple Posts, and we're going to upload the spreadsheet. But before we do that, we have to have a post and plan. Now my post and plan looks like an absolute mess, right? Don't mind that. But what you can do is you can create a cadence. You could say add post and time. The queue is the generic things. Like queue is just like generic bucket. Think of everything as a bucket, right? And you could say, all right, for the queue, every day, randomly within 20 minutes, between 12, what would that be? 11:45 and 12:15 or 12:20, it's going to post randomly. Save it. And you're going to see a new bucket show up at 12-ish. See it? 12 a.m.-ish. So I already have this kind of set up for my madness going on in an agency. But what we're going to do here is multiple posts. We're going to upload spreadsheet. What we're going to do, I think it's probably, is it downloads? This one right here. And uploading content. 48 posts available from this sheet. Let's upload them. Now, boom, it's going to post. But I think, here's what's absolutely terrible. I think I just made a mistake. And so the mistake, if you make a mistake, you can undo it, but it is really a pain in the butt. I think I rushed through that. So I have like 40 plus dreamy white kitchen cabinet ideas, blah, blah, blah. What we have to do is when we create the post, right, we come here, multiple posts, upload the spreadsheet, right, watch this. So the bucket up here is none, so it's going to go into queue. Do you see that? Now it's going to do 45 posts. The Pinterest board is what I forgot to select. I want it in fall outfit ideas. So instead, it's going to push it to some random place, right? Some random place. So what I'm going to do, just to show you how this is done, I'm going to take everything I have, bulk action, and I'm going to delete all, right? Unfortunately, that's going to delete some of the pins I already had saved, but I want to show you how to do this properly. It's fine. So multiple posts, upload spreadsheet, try once more. All right, 48, fall outfit ideas, upload all 48. Boom, and they're going to go into queue. So today at 7 p.m.-ish, this one is going to be posted, right? 40 plus fall outfit ideas for 2024. Here's the description, and there's the URL. Beautiful. That's how it's going to show up on Pinterest, right? Very, very powerful. This next one, right, depending upon our posting schedule, right there, boom. Everything is done. It's done. It's all going to automatically be posted right there. Everything is unique, determined by what we did in ChatGPT. Very, very good. So that's how we can quickly create 48 different 40 plus fall outfit ideas you'll love, right? Not hard. That is what I would consider the bulk creation of AI. Bulk creation. You want to create a lot of things. Oftentimes we cannot have text overlay on these images to really push them out, right? Really do a lot. Is all about variance and ideogram. Variance, right? We could do another one of these. This is text overlay just to see what happens. But the variance of allowing the AI to understand only a little bit of her prompt. Give it very generic ideas, generic vibes, right? We can use words like vibes, right? The feels, stuff like that. Very cool. These are nice. But there you have it. All right, that's the majority of the groundwork. We're going to go over a couple more things, but now we're ready to get off to the races and really, really get at it.